How to make sausage rolls. Hey up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an absolute staple for your Christmas buffets, sausage rolls in a crispy flaky pastry. And of course, if you haven't already, please do smash that subscribe button. So the first thing I need to do is season my sausage meat. Now I've picked up some unseasoned meat from the butcher, but you can get it flavoured if you want to. But I'm just going to go with some salt, some pepper and some sage. I'm going to give that a good mix. Just pop that to one side until I need it. I've just got some puff pastry. That is a rough puff that I've shown you in a previous video, and a tray lined with some greaseproof paper. I'm going to show you a few variations of what you can do to these sausage rolls to make them that little bit more special. So the first one is a basic. So just line the meat onto the pastry and roll it over. A little bit of egg wash. And just join the gaps. Put down, and that should lift off quite nicely. Then fork trick, just press top and bottom together. And that is sausage roll number one. Number two, take some streaky bacon, just lay it across the pastry. And take some meat and just spread it out, and spread it out across the bacon. You've got a nice even flat surface. Take the pastry from the top and just roll it in. Up with a little pinwheel, and that is version 2. So give them both a little egg wash. Got a nice golden colour. You could just bake these as they are, or you could do version 3, which is adding a little bit of extra texture. So I'm going to show you on this sausage roll here. Just cut that in half. So what we're going to do to one of them is pepper the top and sprinkle with some breadcrumbs. Now I've got 3 different versions. I've got a traditional, I've got a pinwheel, and I've got a flavoured. So with these into the oven, it'll take about 20-25 minutes. Alright, well, sausage rolls are out the oven and they look amazing. So we've got the traditional sausage roll, the flavoured pastry. I'm just going to slice this pinwheel. How absolutely awesome do they look? So here is my 3 types of sausage rolls. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.